Hello guys, in this informative video, I would like to share you pqrst study method for students. So let's go. This method can be useful for civil service examination and also to the board exam students and college exam students. You know that pqrst method, the name have acronym. P stand for preview. Basically, you have to first preview the data which you have to glance, you have to see the points. For example, if you have syllabus, you can glance it, you can preview it, what is asking. Q stands for question. In this stage, you are asking question to yourself. For example, if you have a syllabus, then you are asking questions. What kind of questions, what kind of question can be asked by the examiner? So here you're asking and writing, chopping down all the questions. Then R. R stands for read. In this stage, you have to answer and search all those questions that raises in second stage. So if you wrote all the questions, then you can search those questions and find the answers. Now here comes the S. S stands for summary. You're writing and summarizing all the data which you have learned. So you can use any method, you can write, you can revisit it, you can use flashcards, you can write on the board, you can do brainstorming. These all stuff things come in S. Now T. T stands for test. For example, you have read all the data, let's say from in economic subject. Now you are going to the previous year question papers. For example, in civil service examination, you read all the economical data, the data that must be read, and then you are going back to the previous year question paper and you are analyzing whether, oh, I have read those data or whether I am able to answer those previous year question papers or not. This will help you to understand where you stand and where you are standing and what changes you have to bring in your study so as to improve yourself. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and most important, please comment your queries and questions. Thank you very much.